Hello and welcome. My name is Alan Keeler with FrigiTech International. Today we're going to be doing an installation of FrigiTech in this 2005 Ford 1-ton. It's got right about 100,000 miles, and what we're going to do is just show you how simple and easy it is to install 1 ounce of FrigiTech. We're going to check the inside temperatures. We've got a digital thermometer in the vent, and I'm trying to find out just how cold it can actually get before FrigiTech. Then we're going to show you how to install it, and then we'll come back in and show you exactly how much we can drop the temperature in a short amount of time. Today is about a 75-degree day in October, so it's typical Houston weather. And let's go see what the inside of the truck looks like. Okay. We're inside the truck now. We've had the truck running for a good 10 minutes, and it appears that we've got the thermostat satisfied at about 45.5 degrees. As you can see, it is 76 degrees outside. I have the truck turned down as cold as it can get, and the fan turned up as much as it'll go, and it's been sitting that way for about 10 minutes. The time is 4:10. So this way we can check how fast we do everything. And I'll zoom in on the temperature, and it is 45.5, and it's just bouncing around 1/10 of a degree or so, but it seems to have settled in right here at 45.5. So let's jump outside and see exactly where we can end up at. Okay, now that we've checked the inside temperature, it's at 45.5 degrees. I've got my Ryobi caulk gun. I've got my 8-ounce container of FrigiTech. Now I just have to determine where it's going to be hooked up at. In this particular truck, we have 2 service ports, a high side and a low side. The good thing is, when we use the adapter that's specially formulated for automobiles, the adapter will only fit on the port that you can install FrigiTech in, which is the low side service port. The other side, the high side service port, the adapter won't fit into. So I've gone ahead and hooked it up. Our high side happens to be right here. Our low side is right here, actually on the compressor. On different vehicles, they're usually close by, but remember, it's always the one on the fattest line. The skinny line will be your high side line. So we need the vehicle running, we need the air conditioner running, so that way the unit's going. And with this, I've got my hash marks already on this 8-ounce cylinder. If you've watched some of our other videos, we installed this on a 4-ton home unit. So now I have 2 ounces left into this container, and I just simply pull the trigger. I just installed my 1 ounce, and now we'll give it a few minutes to cycle through. Remember, we jumped out of the truck at 4 minutes, or 4:11, and so we'll check it and see here in just a few minutes to see how much more it's improved. Okay, now we're back in the truck. It's 4:30. We started at 4:10. We've still got an outside temperature of mid to high 70s. AC is still all the way down. The fan is still all the way up. I can zoom in on the temperature, and we can see we are at 40.5 degrees. So right now, in a short amount of time, we've dropped 5 degrees exactly on the supply air temperature. And we can see now it's 40.4. It's going to continue to drop and continue to improve. And we'll try to come back in about a week's time, see if we can get the outside temperature to be about the same, and see even more how much improvement we've gotten. Okay, this concludes the installation of FrigiTech. We just put 1 ounce of FrigiTech in the low side service port in this 2005 F350. You can see in just a short amount of time, about 20 minutes, we were able to get from the beginning to right now a 5-degree temperature drop. Hopefully we should be having some more videos on other cars so we can give you a better approximation of what you should expect to see on all the different vehicles out there. Thank you.